Welcome traders, I have something very interesting to show you. I want to show you the scalping EA that took all these scalping trades in less than 20 minutes and made that profit. Okay, so what I will do right now, I'm going to plug the EA and let you watch how it takes the trades. I hope it's still going to make profit because it's very late. It works best on a spiking market. Okay, so these are the inputs. I'm just going to press OK, and then we are going to, I hope everything is fine. Okay, so let's wait for price movement. It's a very fast EA. Okay, all right, we have the first trade. You can see on my phone. Okay, just watch. Okay, we've already taken the profit. Okay, so it's using a pending order system, and it works very best when the market is very active, especially during the opening of the New York session around 3 p.m. if you are using GMT plus 2. Okay, but if you want to run it on a VPS, you can just let me show you on the properties. You can set the start hour and the end hour, the period in which you want the EA to run. Okay, so it is just like that. Right now the market is very quiet. It's not the best time for it. I just wanted to show you how it runs. Okay, we have another trade. Okay, we have another trade. It has closed the profit again, very fast. And the interesting thing, okay, let's wait for this other trade again. You see that? Okay, so let me just pause the EA here. Just wanted to give you a clue. So this EA is one among many others that I have, a whole lot. And interestingly, these are source codes, all these source codes. That EA is just one of them. Seems like the EA is still running. Let me check. Didn't I pause it? I want to see. Oh, I closed it when there was a running trade. Let me just close this one manually. Okay, accept that. Okay, let's close. Okay, so I was showing you that EA is just one among a whole lot, and there are a lot of good EAs in this pack. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to have that pack. Instead of buying the EAs one by one, you can just have that list. Okay, but this is for those who already know something about EAs, because you have to do your own back testing. Okay, you have to do your own back testing. You have to spend a lot of time searching for the best EAs among this list. Maybe I can show you some other EAs. Let me check here. I've been buying some of them. Some of them they are free around the internet. Okay, so let's select this one. I remember I bought that one. Use current spread. That one is for currency pairs. So let's just select Euro USD. Let's start the test. Check the graph. Okay, you see that. Check the report. Okay, profit factor 2. Okay, I forgot to show you the back test of the EA that we've been testing. Maybe we can just quickly look at that. Okay, where do I select the EAs? Which one was that? Okay, it's this one. It's for gold. For the spread, let's just select 30. Okay, start the test, check the graph. You see that it's very profitable. I hope it is very profitable because I didn't have enough time testing it. Okay, didn't have enough time, but what I can say, try it on a row spread account and then try it on a when the market is active. Try it when the market is active. Let's just check maybe another EA. I'm just giving you a clue of what you will find. Okay, let's check this one on gold also. Check. Why is it not running? Okay, it is running. Remember, since you don't know the EAs, try it on gold. If it's not working on gold, try it on currency pairs. Okay, so this one is also, I think with the right settings, this one can work. Okay, with the right settings, or maybe it's for currency pairs. Let's check Euro USD. Currencies pairs have, let's just use the current spread. Okay, so it's much better on currency pairs. You also have to make sure that you confirm if it's not a history reading EA. Always test your EAs on a demo account and then test them on a center account. Give it a while. Make sure that what you are seeing on the backtest is what is happening on the live market before you can use it on your standard account. Okay, so this one is also running. Okay, so this is what you will find in the pack. Okay, this is what you will find. There are too many. Let me test this one. Okay, are these EAs all good? Oh, I think this one is a martingale. I think it's a martingale or a grid system. If we can just check the graph, I'm sure we can have a clue. Oh, this one was coded on FX Dreamer. At least I know it's not history reading. FX Dreamer EAs are legit. I knew it was a grid system. Okay, if you know EAs from the graph, you can tell a lot of things. So this is a grid system. Grid systems are almost like martingale. Okay, so if you're interested in the pack, I'll leave the links in the video description. Do the back testing, select the best, and then use them. Otherwise, if you don't buy the pack, I am going to be making to be doing the back testing and finding the best EAs, and I'm going to be selling them individually. Okay, so it's best you just get the whole thing and do the back testing for yourself. Okay, This week I'm going to make that pack very, very, very affordable, and then I am going to increase the prices. Thank you for watching.